When we look up at the night sky, the moon feels incredibly familiar. It's the brightest object in our night sky. And humanity has been observing it for thousands of years. But the Earth-Moon system is actually much more unusual than most people realize. Our moon is enormous compared to the planet it orbits. In fact, the moon's diameter is about 3,474 kilometers, while Earth's diameter is about 12,742 kilometers. That means the moon is roughly 1/4 the size of Earth. To put that into perspective, most moons in the solar system are tiny compared to their planets. For example, Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede, is actually larger than Mercury. But Jupiter itself is so massive that its moons look tiny by comparison. Our moon is different. Because it's so large relative to Earth, the Earth and the moon behave almost like a double planet system. Both bodies actually orbit a shared center of mass called the barycenter. This point lies about 4,700 kilometers from Earth's center, which is still inside our planet, but not by much. As a result, both Earth and the moon are constantly moving around this invisible balance point as they travel through space together. The moon's average distance from Earth is about 384,400 kilometers. At that distance, light takes just over 1 second to travel between the two. And despite feeling constant in our sky, the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. Every year, it moves about 3.8 centimeters farther away. That might not sound like much, but over millions of years, it adds up. In fact, billions of years ago, the moon would have appeared much larger in Earth's sky than it does today. Scientists believe the moon formed around 4.5 billion years ago when a Mars-sized object collided with the young Earth. Debris from that collision eventually gathered together and formed the moon. Since then, the gravitational interaction between Earth and the moon has shaped both worlds. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the tides we experience every day. But the moon also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which helps keep our planet's climate relatively stable over long periods of time. Without the moon, Earth's tilt could vary dramatically, leading to much more extreme climate changes. From space, the Earth and moon together form a beautiful planetary pair. Seen from far away, Earth appears as a bright blue world, while the moon is a smaller gray companion traveling alongside it. And even though the moon may look small in our sky, it has played a crucial role in shaping the history of our planet. In many ways, the story of Earth cannot be told without the story of the moon.